Good morning, hockey puck.
Good morning, hockey puck.
Good morning, hockey puck.
If you're like me and want your Alexa devices to address you as Hockey Puck, here's how you do it. So, entering my Alexa app, I'm going to hit the 3-bar hamburger settings, my profile, loading. There's all my personal information. Let's see, name and pronunciation. There's my name. Take my identity, please. So I'm going to go down here to saved pronunciation. I don't know what it says for you, but I can't change my name normally because it's linked to my Amazon account. I guess maybe if it wasn't, I could. But then my packages and all my ordering, it would all go completely crazy. And I stumbled on this hack. So if we go to here's how Alexa says your name.
Hockey puck.
Oh, I don't know if you could hear that. So even though it says that, I'm going to play it again.
Hockey puck.
Isn't that fantastic? All right. And it says, let's fix it or let's nail it. And that's kind of how that works. Crap. I'm going to have to go back in there and do this and change it for you. Okay, so here's where this video gets really lame. I can't go in and show you what it would look like if I had never changed the pronunciation of my name, because I think that will mess up my whole Alexa setup, and I'm completely dependent on her to run all of my lights and everything in here, so I'm not going to do that. But trust me, there's going to be some way that I was able to say, no, I don't like the way option 1 went,
Mark.
and I don't like option 2,
Mark.
but I'll tell you how to say my name.
Hockey puck.
Coincidentally, no one in my entire life has ever said my name, my last name, correctly when reading it for the first time. So I am used to phonetically clarifying how the F to change the pronunciation of your name. And that's how I stumbled onto this little hack here. So that's it for me. What's the notification?
Hockey puck. There's one new notification from Amazon Shopping. Your return for nut and bolt assortment kit was received, and a refund has been issued for $9.99.